So, you want to become a software engineer in 2025? Congratulations. You've chosen the single most confusing timeline in human history. On one side, you've got applied AI engineers building models that hallucinate like they're high on GPU fumes. On the other, you've got deep AI researchers trying to solve consciousness with 200 lines of PyTorch. Meanwhile, you're just here, debugging your React app that refuses to center a div. Oh, and don't forget, every LinkedIn post now starts with, "I built a personal AI agent that replaced my entire team." Yeah, bro. Your agent probably just calls ChatGPT and waits for you to click run. Alright, let's pause the existential dread for a second. Let's actually talk about what's going on in this confusing era for software engineers. Because right now, everyone's lost. There's the Leetcode grinders fighting for their lives on easy problems. The AI builders throwing buzzwords like AGI, RAG, and vector embeddings like they're Pokemon cards. And the web devs who just learned Redux, only to find out it's been replaced by something called signals. Once upon a time, software engineers had simple titles. Front end, back end, full stack. You build things. They broke, you fixed them. Life was good. Now, you open a job portal and see titles like AI Enhanced Prompt Engineer, LLM Focused, Cognitive Infrastructure Developer, Machine Learning DevOps, Architect. Like, bro, what even is that? Are you building models or summoning them from the void? And even if you do build something, someone on Twitter will reply, "Why didn't you just use an AI agent for that?" Because, Brian, my AI agent keeps writing infinite while loops. That's why. Then comes the civil war. Applied AI versus deep AI. Applied AI folks are like, "We're building startups with GPT APIs." Deep AI folks respond, "You're not doing real AI. You're just calling an API." Meanwhile, the rest of us are like, "Can someone please explain why my Python virtual environment just exploded?" Applied AI is like, "Let's ship it." Deep AI is like, "Let's research it for 12 years. Both sound smart, both are broke, and both secretly just use the same hugging face model. And then there comes the holy grail. That's Leetcode, the ancient ritual that still haunts the souls of every aspiring engineer. You spend 6 months memorizing 500 problems just to get asked in an interview, design an LRU cache. And if you fail, the interviewer hits you with that classic, "We're looking for someone with strong fundamentals." Yeah, okay, Chad, I'm sure your fundamentals helped a lot when you Googled how to fix Core's error this morning. The Leetcode cult doesn't die. It just reincarnates every hiring season. And while everyone's grinding trees and graphs, companies are out here like, "Can you integrate AI into our PowerPoint workflow?" Then there's development itself. Frameworks are changing faster than your motivation to learn them. It goes like, last week, Next.js was the future. This week, Remix is the future. Next week, Future is the future. At this point, half of us are just waiting for ChatGPT to code the entire app, host it, market it, and then get laid off for us too. And even if you try to keep up, some guy on X will post, "If you're not using AI to 10 times your output, you'll be replaced." Buddy, I'm still trying to 1x my output. Relax. Jokes aside, it's not all doom and confusion. We're just in a weird transition period. AI is changing what software engineering even means. You can build stuff faster than ever, but it also means learning never stops. So whether you're grinding Leetcode, exploring deep AI, or just trying to fix your CSS, you're still part of this evolving ecosystem. Just don't lose your mind when someone on Reddit says, "Real engineers build models from scratch." No, real engineers Google efficiently and cry quietly. So, in conclusion, if you ever feel lost as a software engineer in this AI chaotic multiverse, just remember, no one actually knows what they're doing. Some people are just better at saying pipeline and fine-tuning with confidence. Now go forth, build your autonomous multi-agent deep synergy platform, and when it crashes, just tell people it's still in training. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.